How's it going, everybody? I hope you're doing well. Right, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make Mexican quesadillas. Extremely easy to do, extremely tasty, and you will love them. Trust me. So what will you need? Now, I've got some bell peppers there. I've got some already sliced jalapenos, some Cajun seasoning, some oregano, some sweet corn, some spring onions. I've got a kilo of minced beef there, some cheese, and of course my tortilla wraps. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is fry off that beef. And what I do is once it's fried off, I will drain the excess fat from the beef. Because let's face it, it's not being mean if you keep it lean, is it? Not at all. If you can make it healthy, then make it healthy. But I do like to get rid of the excess fat. Then we'll finely chop the onion, we'll finely chop the bell peppers, add the sweet corn and all the rest of it. But we'll get there when we get there. So I'm just going to fry that beef off over on the flame-ovator and, well, let's do that. And there you go. Look at all that. All that fat. And you don't want that in your system. So I'm going to drain that fat off. Then we'll start adding all the rest of the stuff. But that's gone. The fat has gone. So here we are. Right then. So first of all, going to get the oregano. I'm going to put about 2.5 teaspoons of that in there. Our Cajun seasoning, about the same, 2.5 teaspoons. Like so, and I'll give that a stir. And it doesn't take long before you start to get that really nice smell from that Cajun seasoning. Bring it all together like so. Ah, yeah, there's that smell. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Excellent. Right, next I'm going to add the finely chopped spring onion, the finely chopped bell peppers, and some sweet corn. That's going to go in there. So here we go. But let us just take a moment to look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Wow. Lovely. Right then. Let's add those. Now, I am not going to add the jalapenos till last. That's something that I add when I'm pouring it all together with the tortillas. So that, lovely, is something I do last along with the cheese. So let's just fold that in, just to turn the flame-ovator down very slightly. And I'm just going to mix that in. And once it's all mixed in, I'm going to turn the gas off, and I'm just going to leave it. Just let it sweat for about 15-20 minutes. And then we'll start putting the quesadillas together. We're all ready. I mean, look at that. Wow. Well, that's all nicely mixed in. Really nice smell coming from that mixture. Really good. Okay, so I'm going to turn the flame elevator off, and I'm going to let that sweat for about 15-20 minutes. So turn that off. And there you go, ready for the next stage. So here we are. Okay, so we've got our mixture. I've grated some cheese. I've chopped some jalapenos, some Haley's pin nose. Jalapeno, anyone? Anyone? No? Okay, fair enough. Let's see how it is. Okay, and we've got our tortillas, so let's do this, shall we? First of all, you're going to get some cheese and put the cheese around the edge, because the cheese kind of acts like the glue, creates the seal around the outside of the quesadilla, like that. And we'll get our mixture and place that on. Now for this particular one, I'm not going to put any jalapenos on, because the recipient of this one doesn't like particularly spicy food. However, I do, so I will be having them. I like to put the jalapenos on last, by the way. Not only that, not everyone likes spicy food, but I just like that little bit of, instead of sweating them off in there, they've still got that crunchy texture to them, and that's kind of what I enjoy. So once you've done that, sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top of there, and quite simply fold over and press down, so you get a nice fold down that side. And now this is ready to go into the frying pan. So let's do that. Okay, so we get the quesadilla and place it in the pan. It is smoking a little, but that will soon stop. Don't worry about that. The thing is, with the quesadilla, you don't need a great deal of oil in the pan. So you just keep moving it around, pressing down on that outside edge. They really don't take that long to do, and that's the good thing about them. So what I'm going to do now is just brush a little bit of oil on the outside of that quesadilla. Not a great deal, just a very light brush of oil, and that will probably be enough on that side. So just flip it over, there we go, lovely, and that's what you're looking for. That is perfect. Just keep moving it about. As you see, the smoking stopped now because you are moving it around, and the gas is on quite low for this one as well. You don't need the flame elevator on full blast, because that's no good. So you just want it on a medium heat, medium low I'd say, and just keep on top of it. Don't let it sit for too long, because they really don't take too long to cook. That's nice and crusty as well, that's perfect. And that is that. So if I just pop that there and grab my plate, like so, so you all can see, and I'll just pop that onto there. Now I can use this just to cut down the quesadilla, like so. And there you have it. Quesadillas, absolutely gorgeous and very easy to do. So if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Even better, click subscribe, it would mean the world to me. And yeah, it's time to eat, I think. Catch you later, everyone.